Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most beautiful fruits in nature. Pomegranate. Bright red, juicy, nutritious. For thousands of years, people have enjoyed pomegranates for both flavor and nutrition. Inside every pomegranate are hundreds of ruby red seeds. These seeds contain valuable nutrients that support overall wellness. Let's begin with antioxidants. Pomegranates are famous for their antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports long-term health. Another important benefit is heart health. Pomegranates contain plant compounds connected with healthy circulation. A healthy cardiovascular system is important for daily wellness. Then comes blood vessels. The nutrients found in pomegranates may help support healthy blood vessel function. Another important area is immunity. Pomegranates contain vitamin C plus other beneficial nutrients. These nutrients support your body's natural defense system. Now let's talk about skin. Many people include colorful fruits in their diet because of the antioxidants they contain. These compounds support healthy-looking skin. Another important benefit is healthy aging. Cell protection plays an important role in long-term wellness. This is one reason pomegranates are often included in healthy eating plans. Then comes digestion. Pomegranates contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. Your digestive system functions more comfortably when enough fiber is included in daily meals. Another advantage is hydration. Pomegranates contain water plus nutrients. This helps support normal body functions. Now let's discuss brain health. A balanced diet rich in colorful fruits may help support normal brain function. Another important point is energy. Pomegranates provide natural carbohydrates. Your body uses these carbohydrates as fuel. Then comes weight balance. Pomegranates are naturally low in calories compared to many processed snacks. This makes them a useful addition to balanced nutrition. But here is the truth. No single fruit can solve every health problem. Healthy living requires balance. Exercise matters. Sleep matters. Stress management matters. Good nutrition matters. Now here is the key message. Pomegranates are more than a delicious fruit. They contain nutrients that may support heart health, skin wellness, digestion, immunity, healthy aging. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.